freedom came my way that night, just like a jet plane in and out of sight. Oh, I was hauling ass at 1,000,000 miles an hour, wondering how hard I hit. When they came into the station, they said I was bad, beyond repair. Yes. But I got no qualms with my situation. Say, here I am. So say, Cherie, 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 won't you dare to say, Cherie, 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 won't you dare to leave a message and your number, please. Tie 'em up all my old fantasies, put 'em in a big red bow and send 'em care of me. I'm taking my chance on the wind. I'm packing up all my bags, taking a mistake I gotta make. Oh, then I'm glory bound. So I packed it up and I went to the winds, and I lived out of a VW bus for a year or two. Ain't nothing but a pipe dream in my guitar, living off of apple fields and old cigars, digging this microphone, checking it out every night all alone. Oh, the car battery's dead again, so I got my head dead set against it. Sing, Shay, Cherie, 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 won't you dare to say, Cherie, 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 won't you dare to sing, Cherie, Cherie, Cherie. Yeah, leave a message and your number, please. Take the time to want to satisfy me. Take all my own fantasies and send him care of me. Hey, 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 hey. I'm taking a chance on the wind. I'm packing up all my bags, yeah. Making a mistake I gotta make, and then I am glory bound. Yes, I'm bound.